Ever pondered about the size of your carbon footprint? Or how much you could save on energy bills by switching to a renewable source? Well, wonder no more. Imagine a world where you harness the power of the sun, the most abundant source of energy on our planet. A world where you're not just saving money, but also making a conscious effort to reduce your carbon footprint. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? That's the world of solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable, abundant, and most importantly, clean source of energy. It is harnessed using a variety of ever-evolving technologies such as solar heating, photovoltaics, solar thermal energy, and more. The benefits of solar energy are manifold. It can help reduce electricity bills, increase the value of your property, and promote energy independence. And the best part? It's environmentally friendly. By switching to solar energy, you're not just saving money, but also contributing to a cleaner, greener planet. But how does one make the switch? That's where GZEP Electricals Limited comes in. We are a leading provider of solar solutions, and our team of experts are here to guide you every step of the way. From solar panel installation to battery storage systems, grid-tied systems, and energy efficiency measures, we have solutions to suit your every need. The future of energy is here, and it's time to embrace it. Don't wait for tomorrow to make the change. Act now. Reach out to GZEP Electricals Limited and take the first step towards a brighter, greener, and more sustainable future. Remember, every ray of sunshine is an opportunity to generate change. Make it count. Contact GZEP Electricals Limited today and let's harness the power of the sun together.